Whether you're interested in starting a consulting firm, working with construction companies, or developing new products, there are many profitable business ideas for civil engineers. Let's dive in and explore the best business ideas for civil engineers. 1. Construction equipment reseller. Civil engineers can start a business by reselling construction equipment such as cranes, excavators, bulldozers, and other heavy machinery. This is a very profitable venture but requires a high capital. Heavy construction reselling usually has gross margins of about 40% and net profit margins of around 15 to 20%. Prior to beginning a business selling heavy construction equipment in your area, it's essential to investigate how you will fit within the competitive landscape. Is there enough demand for another heavy construction equipment dealer? If so, you'll need to be sure that you are offering something superior to the competition. Purchasing an existing heavy construction equipment dealer's business can provide great financial and practical advantages. If you decide that a business purchase is the right move, your first step should be to contact an experienced business broker. Working with a qualified business broker can help you avoid common mistakes when acquiring a heavy construction equipment dealer's business, ensuring that you secure the right business at the right price. Franchising can also be a great option, allowing you to benefit from the reputations and successes of existing businesses. 2. Stone crushing unit business. Starting a stone crushing unit is another profitable venture for entrepreneurs. Stone chips are an essential component of many construction projects, alongside bricks, sand, cement, and steel. Crushing stones into various sizes such as 35 mm, 20 mm, 12 mm can enable multiple uses for them. The process of setting up a stone crushing unit requires substantial investment in the land and equipment needed in the business. The following machinery is typically needed for the job: a jaw crusher, a granulator, a conversion kit for turning crushed stone into granules, a set of hoppers for manual braking, a rotary screen with fittings, trolleys for transporting crushed material, spare jaws, jigs, fixtures, and tools. Starting a stone crusher plant can be a lucrative business opportunity for new entrepreneurs due to the increasing demand for high-quality stone chips. Profits from this business typically range between 15 to 20%. 3. Construction management services. Offer project management and oversight services for construction projects. Construction management services typically include bidding and working with contractors, overseeing the construction process, and ensuring that all regulations are met. This type of business is ideal for entrepreneurs who have experience in the construction industry or managing large projects. Construction management businesses generally have an average net profit margin within the range of 3 to 7%. To start this business, you will need a team of skilled professionals who understand construction laws, building codes, and can provide project management services to clients. The team should also have a knowledge of the latest technology related to construction, such as 3D modeling and CAD design software. Additionally, you will need access to various types of heavy equipment such as cranes, bulldozers, dump trucks, and excavators. 4. Structural engineering consultancy. A structural engineering consultancy is a business that provides advice and design services related to the planning, design, construction, and maintenance of buildings and other structures. Structural engineers provide analysis of existing structures or create designs for new structures using various materials such as steel, concrete, wood, glass, and masonry. This type of business typically requires a team of experienced structural engineers and technical staff such as architects, geotechnical engineers, civil engineers, surveyors, and drafters. The net profit margins for structural engineering businesses are usually around 10 to 15%. For this business to be successful, it is important to develop relationships with contractors and other industry contacts. Additionally, staying abreast of the latest industry trends and advancements in technology can help your business stay competitive. 5. Soil testing services. Soil testing services provide analysis of soil samples to determine various characteristics, such as pH level, nutrient content, and the presence of contaminants. This type of business can be used by farmers or construction companies to ensure that the land they are using is suitable for their purposes. For this business venture, you will need a laboratory equipped with the necessary scientific instrumentation and testing equipment. Additionally, you will need to have a team of experienced technicians who are well-versed in soil science and testing protocols. 6. Building Information Modeling, BIM, Consulting. Building Information Modeling, BIM, Consulting is a specialized form of engineering services that provide 3D models of existing or proposed buildings and their components. These models are used by architects, engineers, and contractors to create more accurate designs and improve construction processes. This type of business requires a team of experienced professionals who specialize in 3D modeling software and are familiar with the latest BIM technology. Additionally, you will need to have a working knowledge of construction principles such as structural analysis, load-bearing capacity calculations, and building code compliance. In terms of profit margins, it is estimated that the average net profit margin for BIM consulting businesses is around 20%. 7. Land surveying services. Land surveying services are used to measure and map land boundaries, topography, and features of a particular area. This type of business is often contracted by engineering companies or developers to perform surveys on sites that they plan to develop. In order to provide this service, you will need a team of experienced surveyors who are familiar with the latest surveying technologies and techniques. Additionally, you will need to invest in GPS receivers, GIS software, and other surveying equipment. Land surveying services typically have a high profit margin of around 50 to 60%. This makes it an attractive business venture for entrepreneurs looking to make a good return on their investment. Water and wastewater engineering. Water and wastewater engineering services are in high demand due to the need for clean water and proper waste management. This type of business specializes in designing, constructing, and maintaining water supply systems, sewage treatment plants, stormwater drainage systems, and other related infrastructure. To provide these services, you will need a team of experienced professionals who are familiar with the latest engineering technologies and principles. Additionally, you will need to invest in specialized equipment such as pumps, valves, meters, and other types of infrastructure used in waterworks projects. The profit margin for this type of business is typically around 20 to 30%. This makes it an attractive option for entrepreneurs looking to make a good return on their investment. Additionally, this type of work can provide a valuable service to communities in need of clean water and proper waste management systems. 9. Sustainable infrastructure design. Sustainable infrastructure design is becoming an increasingly popular business venture due to the need for environmentally friendly structures and systems. This type of business focuses on designing, constructing, and maintaining green buildings, renewable energy systems, waste management systems, and other related projects. In order to provide these services, you will need a team of experienced professionals who are familiar with the latest sustainability technologies and principles. Additionally, you will need to invest in specialized equipment such as solar panels, wind turbines, batteries, and other types of green infrastructure used in these projects. The profit margin for this type of business can vary depending on the scope of the project. However, entrepreneurs who provide quality services can generate a sizable return on their investments. Additionally, this type of work can provide communities with invaluable services such as reliable energy sources and improved waste management systems. Sustainable infrastructure design is an excellent option for entrepreneurs looking to make a positive social impact while generating profits. 10. Construction equipment rental. This type of business involves leasing out construction equipment such as bulldozers, excavators, cranes, and other types of heavy machinery to construction companies and contractors. Generally speaking, daily rental rates for smaller tools are around $40 and a profit margin of 80% is attainable. In the first year or two of operation, having 10 pieces of equipment and renting 6 of them 5 days per week could generate in excess of $62,000 in revenue. This translates to a $50,000 profit after accounting for the 80% margin. As the business grows, increasing the number of pieces to 20 and having 15 rented out 5 days a week results in annual revenue of $156,000 and a total profit of $125,000. Construction equipment rental businesses can be very profitable but require a large startup cost capital for purchasing equipment and space for storing your equipment. 11. Drone surveying and mapping business. A drone surveying and mapping business leverages the capabilities of drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors to collect accurate and efficient data for various purposes. By obtaining the necessary certifications and licenses, acquiring the right equipment, and specializing in a specific niche, civil engineers can offer their services online. Starting a drone mapping business requires several key elements. First, acquiring survey knowledge is invaluable to ensure accurate and reliable results. Additionally, investing in survey-grade GPS equipment is essential, with costs starting at $20,000. For the drone itself, options include the Mavic 2 Pro at $2,000 or the Inspire 2 with an X5's camera and 15mm lens, starting at $8,000. A mini iPad with Lychee software is recommended, costing around $400 or more. Software tools like Metashape Pro, priced at $3,500, and Civil 3D, costing $2,400 per year, are necessary for processing and building surface models. It's important to have a computer capable of handling the data, which typically costs $3,000 or more. In total, starting a drone mapping business can easily exceed $37,300, excluding additional expenses such as training, office, vehicle, insurance, and other operational costs. 12. Industrial plant design business. Industrial plant design is a complex process that requires specialized knowledge of engineering and industrial design principles, along with extensive experience in the industry. It involves designing and installing machinery, equipment, and other components for manufacturing plants, as well as providing project management services to ensure the successful completion of the project. Starting an industrial plant design business requires a significant investment in software tools and resources, including CAD software, engineering analysis software, and project management systems. Additionally, to acquire the necessary skills for the business requires extensive training in industrial process design and machine operations. Lastly, depending on the size of the projects being undertaken, additional resources such as consultants or subcontractors may be needed to complete larger jobs. In total, the cost of starting an industrial plant design business can range from $25,000 to over $100,000 depending on the equipment and resources required. Furthermore, ongoing expenses such as office space, software subscriptions, employee salaries and travel costs must also be taken into consideration. 13. Cement manufacturing plant. Cement manufacturing plants are used to produce cement for construction and other applications. To start this type of business, you need a business license for cement manufacturing from the relevant authorities. A capital investment of up to $2 million may be needed to start a small-scale cement plant with an annual capacity of 50,000 tons. The cost of equipment and machinery can range from $3 million to $10 million depending on the scale of operations. Additionally, the cost of land and building, operational expenses, and other miscellaneous costs must be factored in. Overall, starting a cement manufacturing plant business requires significant capital investments. Furthermore, ongoing operational costs such as raw materials, labor, energy utilities, repairs, and maintenance can add up to hefty amounts over time. The target market for a cement manufacturing plant business includes commercial and residential construction companies, as well as infrastructure-related government projects. Additionally, the business can also supply to industrial and manufacturing complexes that use large amounts of cement in their operations. 14. Seismic retrofitting business. Starting a seismic retrofitting business can be a profitable venture, especially in areas prone to earthquakes. Seismic retrofitting involves making structural improvements to existing buildings to enhance their resistance to seismic activity. Seismic retrofitting is a specialized field, and expertise in structural engineering and retrofitting techniques is crucial. As earthquakes pose a significant risk in many regions, offering seismic retrofitting services can be a rewarding business opportunity to help improve the safety and resilience of existing structures. 15. Sell digital products related to civil engineering. Selling digital products related to civil engineering can be a highly profitable venture due to several factors. The field of civil engineering is in constant demand for digital resources and tools that support engineers in their work. These can include software, design templates, educational materials, and technical guides. Digital products are cost-effective to produce and distribute, as there are no manufacturing or shipping costs involved. With the global reach of the internet, you can tap into a wide customer base of civil engineers and students from around the world. Additionally, digital products have high scalability potential, allowing you to sell to a larger number of customers without significantly increasing your efforts in product delivery. 16. Online 3D rendering and visualization. Online 3D rendering and visualization businesses are rapidly growing due to the increasing demand in various sectors such as architecture, real estate, entertainment, gaming, education, healthcare, and more. This kind of business provides services that transform 2D designs into 3D models and visuals using computer graphic software. The 3D visualization industry requires in-depth knowledge and expertise in using 3D rendering software such as Blender, 3ds Max, SketchUp, Maya, or Cinema 4D. You may need to hire or collaborate with experts if you do not possess these skills. Develop a professional website where you can display your portfolio, list your services, and provide contact information. As for the pricing, it could be per hour, per project, or on a subscription basis. Make sure your pricing is competitive yet profitable. As your business grows, you might need to hire more artists, project managers, and customer service representatives. You could also collaborate with freelancers on a project-by-project basis. This business can be very profitable given the increasing reliance on 3D visuals in various sectors. 17. Construction claims consulting. As civil engineers, you already possess valuable knowledge about construction processes. But have you ever considered leveraging that expertise to become a trusted advisor in the realm of construction claims? Starting a construction claims consulting business puts you at the forefront of problem solving. You'll dive deep into contracts, analyze project delays, evaluate cost overruns, and unravel the mysteries of dispute resolution. Hourly rates for construction claims consultants can range from $100 to $300 or more, depending on your level of experience and the complexity of the work involved. For larger projects or long-term engagements, you may negotiate a fixed fee or a percentage of the project value. 18. Building restoration and preservation. Building restoration and preservation is a thriving business that involves revitalizing and protecting historic and aging structures. With a growing emphasis on preserving architectural heritage and sustainable practices, this field offers immense opportunities. By restoring and preserving buildings, you contribute to the conservation of cultural heritage and enhance the aesthetic appeal of communities. To establish a building restoration and preservation business, you'll need a diverse skill set and a deep understanding of construction techniques, materials, and historical preservation standards. Collaborating with architects, engineers, and conservation specialists can be invaluable in providing comprehensive services. Pricing for building restoration and preservation services varies based on factors such as the scope of the project, complexity, location, and materials involved. Consider offering competitive rates while ensuring profitability for your business. 19. Project Cost Estimation Business. A project cost estimation business plays a crucial role in helping clients accurately determine the financial aspects of their projects. Whether it's a construction project, infrastructure development, or any other venture, estimating project costs is vital for budgeting, securing funding, and making informed decisions. 20. Borehole Drilling Business. As civil engineers, you're already equipped with the technical know-how to assess land suitability, plan drilling operations, and ensure the structural integrity of boreholes. Your expertise will be invaluable in delivering top-notch services. Borehole water isn't just for drinking. It has various applications in agriculture, construction, industries, and even recreational facilities. Starting a borehole drilling business requires specialized equipment to effectively and efficiently drill and construct boreholes. These include mud pumps, compressors, drill bits, drill rig, support vehicles, testing equipment, and safety equipment. On average, a borehole drilling business can make a profit of $50,000 to $100,000 annually. 21. Land Surveying Business. A land surveying business involves measuring and mapping land using special tools. Land surveyors help determine property boundaries, create maps, and assist with construction projects. Starting this business is great for civil engineers because they already know about land and construction. It's a chance to expand their services and use their skills in a new way. The capital needed can vary, but a few $1,000s for equipment and startup costs is typically required. The earning potential depends on factors like the number of clients and project size. Equipment needed includes total stations, GPS receivers, and data collectors for accurate measurements. 22. Roofing Material Supplier. Starting a roofing material supply business can be a lucrative venture for individuals looking to break into the construction industry. With an initial investment of between $15,000 and $30,000, entrepreneurs can get their business off the ground. From there, the potential for profits is limitless as demand for roofing materials continues to rise. Additionally, entrepreneurs should be aware of the potential earnings within this industry. According to recent industry data, about 24% of roofing businesses earned $100,000 to $200,000 annually. As the demand for roofing materials continues to increase, those profits can continue to grow. 23. Haulage Services. The haulage business is a great fit for civil engineers for several reasons. Firstly, civil engineers have a deep understanding of construction projects, including the equipment and materials involved. This knowledge allows them to make informed decisions about transportation needs. Secondly, civil engineers have experience working on construction sites and understand the logistics of moving heavy machinery and equipment. They know the importance of efficient and timely transportation to keep projects on track. Additionally, civil engineers can leverage their existing network and connections in the construction industry to secure clients and contracts for their haulage business. If you already have a truck or tractor trailer, you're already on the path to launching a new venture. With a haulage business, you have the opportunity to transport various equipment to nearby destinations, such as construction sites, with ease. Whether it's heavy machinery, construction equipment, or local shipments, your truck can be a reliable means to get the job done. On average, the capital required to start a haulage services business can range from $50,000 to $200,000 or more, depending on the scale and scope of operations. This estimate includes the costs of acquiring vehicles, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, insurance coverage, maintenance and repairs, operational expenses, and initial working capital. The average net profit margin for general freight trucking companies in the United States was 6% in 2022. This means that for every $100 in revenue, these companies generated $6 in profit. 24. Bricks and Blocks Manufacturing. Bricks and blocks manufacturing is a profitable business idea for civil engineers. With the increasing demand for construction materials, there is a consistent need for high-quality bricks and blocks. As a manufacturer, you can produce a wide range of products, including clay bricks, concrete blocks, and interlocking bricks. By leveraging your expertise in construction and materials, you can ensure the production of durable and reliable building components. With proper equipment, skilled labor, and efficient production processes, you can establish a successful bricks and blocks manufacturing business and contribute to the booming construction industry. The minimum startup costs for a bricks and blocks manufacturing business, $7,529 according to Starter Story. Brick and block manufacturing businesses have different profit margins based on factors like business size, types of bricks and blocks, and material costs. According to the National Association of Brick Distributors, the average net profit margin for brick and block manufacturers in the U.S. was 10% in 2022. 25. Hollow bricks making. Hollow bricks making is a specialized business opportunity for civil engineers. Hollow bricks are widely used in construction due to their lightweight and thermal insulation properties. By starting a hollow bricks making business, you can cater to the growing demand for eco-friendly and energy-efficient building materials. The process involves using a hydraulic press machine to mold hollow bricks from materials such as cement, sand, and fly ash. With the right machinery, quality control measures, and market research, you can establish a profitable venture that provides sustainable and cost-effective construction solutions. 26. Aluminum products manufacturing. Aluminum products manufacturing presents a lucrative business opportunity for civil engineers with a focus on metal fabrication. Aluminum is a versatile material widely used in construction, transportation, and various industries. By leveraging your engineering skills and understanding of structural design, you can manufacture aluminum products such as doors, windows, frames, curtain walls, and facade systems. With the right equipment, skilled workforce, and a commitment to quality, you can meet the demand for lightweight, durable, and aesthetically appealing aluminum products in the market. 27. E-book writing in civil engineering. E-book writing in civil engineering offers a unique avenue for civil engineers to share their knowledge and expertise with a global audience. With the increasing popularity of digital content, e-books have become a popular medium for disseminating information. As a civil engineer, you can leverage your experience and insights to create educational and practical e-books on various topics such as structural engineering, project management, environmental design, or construction materials. By writing informative and well-researched e-books, you can establish yourself as an expert in the field, attract readers, and generate passive income through sales and royalties. 28. Mini cement plant. Setting up a mini cement plant is an attractive business opportunity for civil engineers with knowledge of the cement industry. A mini cement plant operates on a smaller scale and produces cement in limited quantities. With the growing demand for cement in infrastructure projects, housing, and commercial construction, establishing a mini cement plant can be a profitable venture. It requires careful planning, feasibility studies, securing necessary permits, and investing in equipment such as crushers, ball mills, and kilns. By producing high-quality cement and targeting specific regional markets, you can tap into the cement industry's growth potential and generate substantial returns. 29. Aluminum door window manufacturing fabrication. Aluminum door window manufacturing and fabrication is a promising business idea for civil engineers with a focus on architectural elements. Aluminum doors and windows are widely used in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings due to their durability, versatility, and aesthetic appeal. By leveraging your knowledge of structural design and fabrication techniques, you can manufacture and install a range of aluminum door and window systems. This business requires skilled labor, specialized equipment for cutting, bending, and assembly, and a strong network of contractors and builders. With quality craftsmanship and excellent customer service, you can establish a reputable brand and cater to the growing demand for modern and energy-efficient fenestration solutions. 30. Gypsum plaster board manufacturing. Gypsum plaster board manufacturing is a lucrative business opportunity for civil engineers with expertise in construction materials. Gypsum plaster boards are extensively used in interior construction for walls, ceilings, and partitions due to their fire resistance, sound insulation, and ease of installation. By setting up a manufacturing unit, you can produce high-quality gypsum plaster boards using gypsum, paper, and additives. The process involves mixing, forming, drying, and finishing the boards. With efficient production methods, quality control measures, and a strong distribution network, you can supply gypsum plasterboards to the construction industry and capitalize on the growing demand for sustainable and cost-effective building materials. So there you are. 30 profitable business ideas for civil engineers. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos on how to manufacture your own products and sell them for profit. We have tutorials and guides that can help you increase your efficiency, reduce costs, and improve the quality of your product. Thanks for watching.